So, in the last video, we talked about live streams, and in this video, we're going to be talking about text posts. Text posts, text posts, text posts. What are the point of text posts, you might be asking? Well, you have a few obvious options. Some are sinking or swimming, and others are new and unknown. But to start, we're going to start with posts. You can find if you watch the video. I showed you where to find the posts. Unlike a lot of the other things in between desktop and mobile, this is one of the few things that is congruent across both. When you come to your community tab here on YouTube, you will have a text post. These are deprioritized, but nonetheless still shown. Posts that are shown on the recommended feed and even have their own section on mobile for you to look at. You have the option to put up to 5 images or GIFs. You have image polls, which allow you to make which basically are your titular average text poll, except you have images instead. So if you want to put, say, pancakes or waffles, you can put a pancake and a waffle here as a way to add some variance. You have your quiz. This is a simple, what is the correct answer? And if people correct it right, you signify what is the correct one. Let's say, is the sky blue? Say, answer 1 is yes. Answer 2 is no. And you use these little dots are the selected answers. And I'm just going to write bong water as the reasoning. Then you can just click post. Or you can schedule it out instead, and I can have this come out next Wednesday at 2 o'clock in the morning, because that makes perfect fucking sense. These time zones here are synced up to what they are in your computer. The browser is provided through JavaScript. Same thing on the app. It centers the time zone you have on your phone locally, and you can just click schedule. So, why am I talking about this? Well, because now that TikTok is gone and you don't have access to text-based things like necessarily commenting on peers' things and then being able to easily find you and back and forth, and you're losing that, posts are a good intermediary with this, especially now that also TikTok, it also has their own posting infrastructure as well. This is a good intermediary. But it might not be enough. See, while most YouTube creators who work exclusively on YouTube do just want people to post things on their YouTube, and they only engage with the comment section and the community notes and all that stuff. Realistically, the tools that YouTube has at their disposal to make things work, you're going to want to use something like Twitter. Trans rights, but it's okay to dead name Twitter. Blue Sky, which is my preferred platform, or Mark Zuckerberg's vanity project Threads, which is, albeit, actually not terrible in terms of user interface and usability. This, the posting thing is definitely a way you want to keep in mind with this, because it's important, because you can pick a video from your channel. Let's just say, I don't know, let's pick this deck list I have from Dirt to Ert and click insert. Watch it, you goon. And this is when you publish new videos, it'd be a good idea to post a community post as well. It's helpful, as well as taking a link to that video and posting it on your text-based websites. I'm neurotic, and I post on all 3. Don't be like me. Touch grass. Pick one, preferably anything but fucking Twitter, and keep it pushing. those are your text posts. Next up, we're going to be talking about community broadly, moving your community from TikTok to YouTube, and also the folly of having all of your entire community in one platform basket. That's right. I'm going to show you guys how to set up a Discord server. Get out those neck beards and forget to fucking shower. We're going to Cringeland. But all jokes aside, it's a valuable video and you guys should stick around to watch. So, toodaloo. I'll see you guys in the next one.